Hi, it's Jason from Fine & Country and welcome to Hammetts, a beautiful white rendered period property located just on the outskirts of Woolsery with over 2 acres of land, 5 bedrooms in total, double garage, lovely long sweeping driveway and just 3 miles from the coast. Come on, let's take a look. And at the far end of Hammetts is this more modern vaulted veranda here with the barn room behind, which measures 20 by 20 foot in length, which was once believed to be used as a ballet studio. Once you step inside Hammetts, you really do get a feeling of a journey through time. In fact, this property is actually one of the oldest properties in the whole of Woolsery, originally dating back to 1450. I'm now standing in one of the kitchens. There are 3 in total, and this is part of the Holy Let, which is on the right-hand side of the main building. It's dated back to 1450. There are new subsequent additions into the main house and also the annexe, which has then been built in the 1980s. So if you're looking for a sizable property that is located close to a village, close to the coast, and oozes charm and character, like this one behind me here, give Fine & Country a call today on 01237 426 018. Thank you.